Welcome back. You must have been traveling for a while. Do you need any assistance? Tell me what you like, and I'll get it for you. I think that's the right choice for you. Did you know a rifle barrel adds noticeable accuracy? We can do that to this model for a great price. You made a good decision. Excellent choice. I have some better quality components if you're looking for the best. Uh-huh.
Working in Father's shop, however, is a beyond horrible prospect. Like he says, no choice to accept his fate.
That's just life, I guess.
You see the church across the street? Father O'Leary carries a gun, a Dellinger. I sold it to him, just in case turning the other cheek doesn't work.
Very nice. Thanks, mister. Easy.